Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 23. Today, boys and girls, we are going to learn a new sound. Actually, today we are learning two new sounds. But let us review. S, A, N, I, T, P, K, D, H, K, M, E, K, R, G, B, O, A, F, L, E, J, O, I. Now, kids, it's story time. Listen to the story so you can learn your two new sounds.
An old donkey and some sheep live next to a small cornfield. Nora and Jakim like to go and talk to the donkey. He is always very pleased to see them. He breathes, E, O, and waggles his ears up and down in greeting. One August morning, the children go for a walk to see the donkey. He brays happily, E, O. Jakim gives the donkey a carrot. The carrot comes from my garden, says Nora. I have carrots and sweet corn growing there. As the children talk to the donkey, big raindrops begin to fall. Behind the children is an enormous rain cloud. I think we had better get home quickly, says Jakim. There is a storm coming. We will have to run home as fast as we can. The children run off, waving to the donkey.
What sound did we learn today, children? We learned E and O. So always remember the two new sounds. Now it is game time. But guess what? Today we are going to play two games. Wait for it. I am going to show you four pictures. Three of these pictures have an E sound and one does not. Your job is to find the one that does not have the E sound. Ready? We have B, bean, donkey. Which one does not have the E sound? If you say donkey, you are correct. Let us play another game. I will show you another four pictures. Three of them have the O sound and one does not. Find the one that does not. We have spot, corn, pie. Which one does not have the O sound? If you say pie, you are correct. Now it's reading time. We have two sets of readings to do. Let us start with the first one, words that have E. Ready? E, L, eel. Hope you're reading together with me now. D, E, deep. Next one, T, R, E, tree. Very good. Now, read these words on your own. Today, you are going to send two videos to your teacher. As you read this, have your mommy and daddy record you and send the recording to your teacher. Now we are going to do some more reading. Words with the O sound. We have L, O, D, Lord. O, T, pot. St, O, M, storm. This time again, your turn to read. Read these words, send the recording to your teacher. Now it's dictation time. I am going to call you 4 words. 2 of them with the E sound and 2 of them with the O sound. Listen very carefully so you can write it on your books. First word, we have deep. D-E-P, deep. Next word, we have green. G-R-E-N, green. Then we have salt. S-O-T, salt. Now we have stock. S-T-O-K, stock. As you write these 4 words, make sure you take a picture and send them to your teacher. Now, final thing for you to do is look around and see what words you know with E and O. Send a voice recording to your teacher, telling your teacher all the words you came up with. Very good, children.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!